Are you tired of using flimsy cookware that never seems to last? You want to up your cooking game and achieve that perfect sear on your steak? Well, then look no further than the trusty cast iron skillet. In this episode, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about cast iron cookware. From cleaning, to caring, to seasoning, to storing, to maintaining, usage and manufacturing, as well as potential health benefit of this extremely versatile piece of cookware. So hold on to your skillet on this ultimate guide to cast iron cooking. I'm Jason. I'm the man with the pan. This is Savage Skilletz. Savage Skilletz. What's up, all you savages, and welcome to the ultimate guide for cast iron cookware. When it comes to cast iron skillets, proper care, cleaning, storing, and seasoning is essential to maintaining their longevity. Let's start with how they're made. By creating a mold and then pouring molten metal into that mold, allowing it to cool and solidify. Then using sandblasters to remove any undesired particles left behind during the manufacturing process. They are simple and easy to make, but the end result is a long-lasting, durable pan that can stay in a family for generations. Now, the biggest question I always get asked, how to season your skillet. You need to coat it lightly with oil on a sheet tray upside down to avoid any pooling of oil inside the pan, and place it in a 350-degree preheated oven for an hour. Repeat this process a few times to build up a natural non-stick surface. I've been asked quite a few times, Savage, how do I clean my skillet? Never use soap when cleaning a cast iron skillet, as it can strip away the seasoning. Instead, heat it on the stove, use hot water and a stiff brush. Never put your skillet in a dishwasher or soak it in water for an extended period of time. What I like to do is heat it up on the stove and then run hot water on it. If there is still residual particles left over, I use a stiff brush to get those loosened up. If something's really stuck on, you can use kosher salt as a natural abrasive. If you need to remove rust, you can use a mixture of equal parts of vinegar and water. When you finish cleaning it underwater, always dry it thoroughly with a non-lint towel and rub a light coating of oil on top of it after each use. Store it in a dry place that the metal doesn't oxidize. Avoid using metal utensils on your skillet, as they can scratch the surface. Your skillet starts to lose its seasoning, you can re-season it, but wait, there's more. There's actual studies on health benefits for using cast iron cookware. One of the main benefits of using cast iron is that it can increase the iron in your food. When acidic foods such as tomatoes are cooked, they can absorb the iron from the skillet, increasing the iron content of the food. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who may be iron deficient, such as vegetarians, pregnant women, or people that are anemic. Studies have shown that the iron intake from cookware can help lower the risk of common brain impairment and certain forms of cancer. There are some studies that have shown it magnifies the oxygen carrying potential in the blood by increasing the iron, thus eliminating some LDL cholesterol and help reduce the risk of heart disease. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that women who cooked with cast iron had a lower risk of heart disease than those who didn't use it. It's important to note that while these studies indicate potential health benefits, they are not definitive, and more research is needed to fully understand the effects of cast iron cooking on the human body. For the links to the articles on the potential health benefits of cast iron, check the links in the description. Keto! Cast iron cookware is a popular choice for the keto lifestyle for several reasons. They are great for high heat cooking, which is essential for achieving a good sear on meats, fish, poultry, and other staples of the keto diet. They can be used on a variety of cooking surfaces, including stovetops, inside the oven, grills, and campfires, making them a versatile option. Second, cast iron skillets retain heat very well, which makes them great for cooking foods at a consistent temperature. This is especially useful for keto cooking, as it allows for better control over the cooking process, ensuring that foods are cooked evenly and to the desired level of doneness. Third, the cast iron skillets are naturally non-stick, which is a great feature when cooking keto-friendly recipes that may contain high-fat ingredients. During the cooking process, they don't usually require you to use of additional oils, butter, or non-stick sprays, even though I do use those for flavor. And lastly, as already discussed, they increase the health benefits of living the keto lifestyle, which aims to provide healthy and nutritious meals in under 20 minutes, one skillet start to finish here at Savage Skilletz. Now, pick up that cast iron skillet and smash that subscribe button. Leave a comment, maybe a subject that you'd like to hear about or a recipe that you'd like me to cook keto style. Share this with someone that you think will benefit from using cast iron cookware. Because I'm Jason, I'm the man with the pan. This show is for the bro on the go. 20 minutes, one skillet start to finish. This is Savage Skilletz.